students. We are the eco-fuel legends from SMK Puteri Titiwangsa. I'm Kirtana Yogendran. Here are my teammates. Abigail Dakshina Alexander, Venusa Embriana, and Narkisha Alina. SMK Puteri Titiwangsa is located in Jalan Temerloh, 53200, Kuala Lumpur.
I'm done.
Wait, where are you going?
I'm gonna throw this away.
What? We can actually reuse coffee and tea waste.
Really? How we can do that?
We are excited to introduce Brewfill, a sustainable solution that turns everyday coffee and tea waste into energy. A simple way to reduce waste and power the future. One cup at a time.
We drink gallons of tea and coffee every day, in the canteen, at home, even teachers' lounges. But what about all those tea leaves and coffee grounds? Well, straight into the trash. Meanwhile, we're burning expensive gas, electricity, and firewood just to boil water or cook. Step 1. Collect the waste. We gathered used tea leaves and coffee grounds from the school canteen, teacher's lounge, and even nearby cafes.
Step 2. Dry the waste. We can spread the coffee and tea waste and sun-dry it for 2 to 3 days. If it's rainy, why not use an oven at a low heat to dry it indoors? Why? Because wet waste can cause soggy briquettes which can totally fail.
Step 3. Mix and bind. We mix the dry waste in the binder and hold everything together. As for options, we can use flour paste, starch or paper pulp. We added some water and stirred until it became a dough-like texture. Science alert! The starch molecules help trap the particles and form a solid bonds. Step 4. Compress the briquettes. We first pour the mix into molds made from recycled cans or cut plastic bottles. Then we press it tightly to remove any air or extra water. Why press? Because less air equals to better burning efficiency.
This is our sketch.
So next is materials. Used tea leaf and coffee grounds are totally free because we're taking it from the canteen. Binder like starch or flour are only 4 ringgit and 90 cents. Briquettes molds are 0 ringgit because we can use recycled items like tin or cut out water bottle. Water is practically free, so total cost for everything is only 4 ringgit and 90 cents, and yep, it's cheap and also safe for the environment.